How y'all doing? Riding around in the truck. We're gonna do this at night this time to figure out which is better. I'd say y'all probably like the days a lot better, but I'll turn the lights on so y'all can see. But being night and it's 83 degrees, we might just see us a deer out here in south central Kentucky right here in the back roads. Now we're back towards Alberton, so we're coming back, or we was in Alberton. Now we're going back towards Bowling Green, towards the city there. And let's see if we just can't see us a deer out here on this back road now. Now keep your eyes open. You might see some eyes going across that road up there. I tell you what, the mosquitoes are out tonight. Hitting the windshield, I bet the last thing went through their mind was their hind end, y'all. Good little subdivision out there here. It's just a little windy road. Houses ain't too close together, but they a little close. But, you know, that's what we have to deal with now these days. They got the church lit up tonight, ain't they? Whipping around through here like it's a NASCAR event. Let me turn these off for a second. Put on these automatic beams. That's why I'm talking to y'all. I can do this at the same time. Got a car up behind us. Across this hill, don't knock somebody in the fucking head. Might be one across this field there. I don't know. Don't this look spooky? Alright, y'all, I'm gonna sign off here and we're done with this ride.